Hi guys, welcome back. So in this course we are going to learn how you can give your fabrics prints and how you can customize your fabrics. So here I'm going to go to the fabric itself. You can either do it here or you can add a print here, and then we'll do both. So let's start by customizing our fabric directly. So if I want to customize this fabric, I'll go here, and then when I go to the texture, I'll say add texture, and then I will go to my prints folder wherever you have a print saved, and I'll say open. It can be a picture or anything. So now you see the print has come in, but I don't like the scale. I don't like the way the scale is. So to edit the scale, I go over here, texture, and then here, right? And then you're going to have such a board come up. This board like this is showing you the fabric. The pattern is on a fabric that is let's change it to centimeters, 500 by 333 centimeters, and yeah, that's enough, but we can reduce the pattern here, right? Because it's repeating in a way that is making it so huge, right? I don't know if you see. So once you see what it's doing. Okay, once you go over here, you can edit the fabric. Let's do 100 by 130, and we're going to have it repeat. We are going to have it so you say tile, and then now that it's repeating, we can now go back to this. Let me first make sure this is changed, right? This is 100 by, let's say, 130. Okay, let's see. You see the scale changed. The scale changed from before, and I can, because ideally this is supposed to change in real time, you know. Let's say if I do it like this and say apply, you see how the scale changed. And let me see if I do it even furthermore and make more. And I say apply. You see what happened. And then in the same spot, I can go here and change the colors. I can say I want it to have only 2 colors, or let's do 2 colors, and I'll say this, yeah, I'll say let's change this other color, the number color 2, that color to be that, and the first color now becomes the other. So you just have to keep playing with the colors. Let me see if I add a third color, what happens. And in this one, I'm going to make it reflect purple. Once I go back here, then it reflects the color that I just chose. I don't know if you saw. This one now is going to reflect the green. This one is now going to reflect the green that I just previously picked. So if I go here, it's going to make so let me oh, you can also rotate the print so that it's at a different angle. Like, let's say I want it to be like this, you can rotate it, and I want to now so if I say apply, boom. So here I can change the color, and I can say, let's make it, oh, I quite like this color actually. And this, you see how I just custom made a print. No, that's too much. Yeah, I can say let's make it that, or this, or baby blue. I quite like that one. Or, you know, that one is the best. And so let's say, let's make this a leather, and maybe make it a brown. So when you want to pick a color, for example, I want to pick this color, I can choose this arrow, I mean this pointer, and then it will ask me allow. I want a brown, like, yes, like that one. So it will point at the fabric. If I wanted a green, I would go to the green, but I want a brown, so let's go to the brown. Okay, so here guys, this is the first part of customizing a fabric that's already within the like here, right? Now let's say I wanted to customize my own fabric and bring my own print directly here. Same thing, I can do that and say it can either be, so once I click on it here,